Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the system and launching immediate cleanup tasks. First, back up crucial files so you can undo changes if needed. Then run disk cleanup to remove temp files, caches, and old update packages. This frees disk I/O and reduces paging. Next, uninstall unused third-party apps to lower background processes and startup impact. Once done, make sure System Restore is enabled. That gives you a rollback point if a change causes trouble. Now you tackle startup and system settings to improve responsiveness. Open Task Manager and disable non-essential startup items. This reduces initial CPU and disk load during boot. Once done, set your power plan to balanced or high performance when plugged in to stop aggressive throttling. Then adjust visual effects. Turn off animations you don't need so GPU and CPU cycles go to apps, not Chrome. Make sure to reboot after changes, so services and drive. Finish with advanced tweaks and a final verification pass. Update Windows and key drivers, chipset, GPU, and NVMe or SATA storage drivers to fix performance regressions. If you still have a slow disk, enable Storage Sense or move Windows to an SSD. Adjust page file location to a faster drive if available. Once complete, run a malware scan and review Event Viewer for repeated errors that hint at hardware or driver issues. If problems persist, try Safe Mode to isolate startup conflicts. This often reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.